everyone, welcome to Britpops React, formerly known as Brits in Lockdown. We've got a good one today, and I've had to hold back from not listening because obviously Oasis is my favourite band. I love Noel and Liam and stuff, so you know, and our funny logo is obviously based on that. So yes, it's Noel's new song, came out yesterday, High Flying Birds. We're on our way now, so really looking forward to doing this one. Yeah, how about you?
Right, our kid.
Right, kid.
Noel Gallagher, 29th of May 1967, age 53. Maturing probably one day. We're on our way now is the first single from Back the Way We Came, Volume 1, snappy title. The best compilation celebrating the first decade of Noel Gallagher's High Flying Birds. Alright, so it's just his Noel. Oh, gotcha. The song was released to announce the album. It's the first one among 2 new songs included on the record. 10 years of the High Flying Birds. Noel Gallagher's quote, as per normal, "Blimey, just think of all the things I could have done in that time," Gallagher said. And I quote. Here we go then.
Alright, let's give it a whirl, shall we?
Yep.
Remember what might have been had I walked you home. I said I'll see you later. You were living the dream, but when the morning comes, you're gonna meet your maker. Good luck in the afterlife. I hear the morning sun doesn't cast no shadow. You chose to drift away, but look at you now. We're on our way now. Truth can be so hard to swallow. Hey now, 'cause you got the love lady, and worn out. 'Cause with every little trick they try to drag you down, don't know why.
Yeah, okay, so it's a typical Noel.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, I think it, well,
Okay.
I say it's more, it's gone back a bit.
Right.
You know, there's a bit there, I'll try and pick it out. I might even, it might be 10 seconds ago,
Okay.
where I hear little by little.
Yeah. Obviously some recycled lyrics in there as well that I
Cast No
noticed.
Shadow, yeah.
Cast
yeah,
No
yeah,
Shadow.
Yeah.
It's a very light as in the air type song, isn't it, at the moment?
Yeah, well, I guess it's about someone that's passed, you know, walked someone home, they've gone to bed, passed
Yeah.
away, gone up to the afterlife, and,
Okay.
you know, but it's, yeah, I like the tune.
The little harmonies there were very Beatlesque, I thought.
Mm.
The little harmony section sounded very Beatley to me.
Okay, alright, let's go.
Drag you down, don't know why. Stood on top of the world, and when the cold wind blows, you say the chill don't matter. Having the time of your life, but when you take those pills, does it make it better? Good luck in the afterlife. I hear the morning sun doesn't cast no shadow. You chose to drift away, and look at you now. We're on our way.
I'll pause it there because that's Little by Little. Okay.
Right. Okay.
When you ever dreamed of, it's almost the same, but
Okay.
it's a typical Noel, chilled Noel song. You know.
Yep.
I mean, you know, if I look at all the albums, I think Lock All the Doors was the first album after, you know, Oasis split. You know, one of the songs on the album, and it was a real typical hardcore Noel Oasis song. And then he sort of, his music chilled. Certainly, this isn't music is different from his last album. His different, you know, his last album was more, you know, I don't know, beaty, produced in a certain way. You know, if you look at Blue Moon and some of the other, you know, Blue Moon Rising and stuff like that, it was more almost dance indie.
Okay.
This is sort of stepping back probably into his mid-album, one of his middle albums from High Flying Bird. So
I can imagine it being on the end credits of a film or something like that. You know.
okay, yeah.
Something. Yeah. That's what it's kind of conjuring up in my mind.
Yeah, okay. Well, I'm going to rewind it and see if you can hear Little by Little.
Yeah.
Every little trick they try to drag you down. Don't know why. Run away now. Truth can be so hard to swallow. Hey now. 'Cause you got the love, lady, and worn out. With every little trick they try to drag you down. Don't know why. You got the love, lady. You got the love, lady.
There we go.
Okay.
Smooth from Noel.
Smooth. Yeah.
I'm always disappointed when I hear a track and there's no guitar solo, because Noel normally creeps one in there, but there
Right.
wasn't. I wasn't really getting that from that track, but it wasn't really that type of song, you know, to come away with.
No, you had the sort of recurring sort of riff going on through it, you know, which sort of hooked the song together. The outro, again, I can't think of the song, but it was definitely a sort of a Beatley type outro on that one that I was feeling. It was nice, yeah, I like it. Like I say, I do prefer the sort of more up tempo, heavier tracks with the guitar on. But having said that, you know, Stand By Me, those ones, I like those too. So nice.
Yeah, I mean, and you know, he's a different artist now than he was at Oasis. So
Yes.
we all hope that he'll go back that way at some point. But
They keep talking about it.
they keep talking about it. Well, if you liked our video, hit the like button. That'd be great. What are we going to score this?
I'm coming in with a hopefully non-controversial 8. I liked it, but you know, the rockier ones. There's room up top for the rockier ones, lad. Our kid.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I mean, it's a nice smooth track. It's nice to hear something a bit refreshing from Noel. I haven't heard anything for a while, so yeah, 8. I agree. 8 up here. Hit the subscribe button if you want to come on our journey. We do all sorts of genres. Stay with us, you know, let us know, give us some requests. We are, you know, I'm very much an Oasis fan, so I've mostly heard of everything, but there are, you know, different things out there that I may not have heard of, or certain live versions of stuff, and we do our relive on Oasis and Noel. So
we did get asked to do another reaction to Noel's version of the one that you liked previously, so
Liam's, yeah, Liam
sorry, Liam's.
Yeah, Lord Don't Slow Me Down by Liam Gallagher, which I haven't heard actually. So we could give that a whirl. Brilliant. Thanks everybody. Thanks for watching. Goodbye from me.
Goodbye from him. Calm down, calm down.